Let me demonstrate the plasma sheath or the edge or near the wall. The E phi over T less than 1 is not valid. Thus, the linear theory won't hold in this regime. So let's start with the current for electron, current for ion. Those are amplitude. Alpha is a factor, a prefactor in front. And the details we may derive in the future. We know that from quantum neutrality, Ji equals Je in the magnitude, so we have this. We tied it up like this, and then we assume the electron ion temperature are equal, and ion thermal velocity over electron thermal velocity is square root me over mi, and we take the log on both sides. So we have this expression, and ion over electron is in the order of thousands, and if you do the calculation, you will find out that this is about 3.7. Thus, from this we know that this is about 3.7 in the order of unity, which means this will not hold on the wall based on this argument.